Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So today what I'm going to be doing is weave braids on my granddaughter hair, Cinnamon. Say hey to everybody, Cinnamon.
Hey.
Okay, so as you can see on top, this is where she has most of her hair, but on the sides and in the back is where her hair is shorter at. So what I want to do is show you guys how to install weave on the hair around the sides. I'm not going to finish the whole video. I'm not going to braid her hair, I should say, through the whole video. But what I will do is come back after I get finished with her hair. So first thing first, what you want to do is get the portion of the hair that you're going to be installing the weave on. And as you know, when you install hair weave, you need to have 2 strands to start off with. So a strand to your left, a strand to your right, and what I do is her hair makes the 3rd strand, and I grab her hair up with my pointy finger and my thumb, and I'm gonna grab that first. Come on in, money, so they can see what I'm doing. So as you can see, I grab that, and then I take the wreath that's in my right hand and come through there like that. Now, as you can see, her hair is right here. You see her hair right here? Mm-hmm. Okay. So what I want to do is blend it with this. So now the weave is with, her hair, I should say, is with the weave. And then just start braiding in. So it's a French braid look, but actually it's just going to be a single braid. And the reason why I do it like this on really short hair is just to make sure that it does not come out after I braid it in. And as you can see, here's your finished look. I'm not going to braid it all the way down right now because I'm just showing you guys how I go. And there it is. So it looks like a single braid, but actually it's not a single braid. So I'm going to take it down and show you guys one more time just in case you didn't get it the first time. You doing okay, Cinnamon? Mm-hmm. Okay, good. Okay. So I'm going to straighten up the weave a bit. Get everything back together. And again, you have a strand in your left hand, strand in your right hand. You're going to take your pointy finger and your thumb and grab up the hair. And then come around. But when you get to the hair that you braiding it on, you blend it with the weave. And then just start braiding. I will be coming out with a video to show you guys how to do a 3-strand braid. Sorry about that. Because if you can't braid a 3-strand braid, it's going to be really difficult to braid and weave. So I will be coming out with that video soon. Okay. So again, this is your finished look. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is turn my camera off. Shouts out to my daughter, Money, who's recording for me. Go ahead, finish her hair. And when I'm done with her hair, I will come back with a finished look. All right. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll be back soon. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Hi, everybody. So I'm back. As you can see, I'm done installing her weave braids in. And I was able to braid in all the hair. Let's turn around, baby. And you can see that I was able to braid in the sides where it was really short at, as well as the back. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to braid up her hair and dip it in hot water, because this is Kanekalon Hair that I'm using. And then take it down, and I'll achieve the crinkly look, the crinkle wavy look. And what I'll do is post pictures at the end of this video so you guys can see what it looks like. Thank you for watching our video again, and go ahead and push that like button, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you again for watching, and goodbye. Say goodbye.
Bye.